Hello, I'm on LinkedIn. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the Kubernetes on the Google Cloud. So currently I'm showing my PC, which is using VS Code. In this VS Code, I will download the Google CLI. After download the CLI, and then I will authenticate with the Google Cloud, and then my PC can communicate with the Google Cloud from the CLI. So currently I create the folder. The one is my folder path is Google Lab. In this folder, I will download the Google CLI in my PC. So Google CLI, how to install the Google CLI? So you can search in the web browser. So how to you can write you can type in the search box. How to install Google CLI. Here you go, you will see how to install the Google CLI. The one same like this. So in this Google CLI, you will see the installation. In this installation, show OS different OS installation procedure. My one is the Mac OS, so I will use the Mac OS procedure. So in this, then they said download on one of the following. So we have to check my Mac platform. My Mac platform is I already checked, and then I type the username dash m in my terminal. It will show 888 dash 8664. So my Mac OS is platform is 886 dash platform. So I will copy this link, and then I will put it in my VS Code. So you can download it in your PC. So before you download, you type the car dash o and put the address. So after you download that one, you will see yeah, you will see this zip file, and after download this zip file in your PC, you exit it. After exit it, it will come out of this Google Cloud SDK file. So you go inside of the SDK file, and then you check the installation file, and then you can install it. So how to install? SHISGA install sh, then enter it. After enter it, it will install automatically the Google CLI in your PC. So after that, um, you can check the Google Cloud version. So after successfully installed gcli in your PC, you will see the Google G-Cloud version. And then to communicate with your PC and Google Cloud, you need to authenticate, but you need to do the authentication. So I type gcloud auth login. So it will ask you to enable your cloud. So I choose my Google Cloud, Gmail, and then it will ask to allow to accept the Google account. So that one is my Google account, and I allow them. Okay, right now you already authenticate with the Google CLI. It means your PC already authenticate with the Google CLI. Okay. After that, you can communicate with the GGA Google CLI and the Google Cloud. So right now, I will go to Google CLI, Google Cloud. So the one is my Google Cloud. Okay. In this Google Cloud, I will create the two instance. One instance for Kubernetes control node, and another one is the Kubernetes worker node. So I will create a two instance. So in the search bar, you type the compute engine. In this compute engine, you will see you can create a VM virtual machine instance. So in VM instance, so create instance. So name you can put the one I will use for master. So then region you can choose your nearest region. So I will choose a single, and then availability zone you can choose anyone. And then the one I will be using default E2 and the one default also. Then I will choose the OS storage, OS and storage. The one organization system, operating system, I will choose the Ubuntu, and Ubuntu version, I will choose 20. Here you can see the different OS. So mine is 8664, so I choose this one. Uh, Boot this type, I choose the standard, and then site, I choose the 50. After that, I will create it. So right now, I already created a one instance, name it the CKS master. So I will create another instance, CKS worker. Same region I will put. So my region is the Singapore region. And then availability zone same. This others OS system will be same. And then I choose another OS system is the default is Debian. Then I choose the Ubuntu. And then 2004 this type standard basis 50 gig create slash and then create it. So now I have created two instances, CKS Master and CKS Worker. Right now, CKS Master is ready to use. So, so here, uh, here I will communicate with the CKS Master. So I will type this gcloud, gcloud compute SSH to CKS Master. So it means I will log in SSH to CKS Master. So gcloud compute SSH CKS master. So it means I already log in. After logging, I will use the SSH root account. So sudo -i. So I already changed account as the root. So after that, you have to install that one from the GitHub, and you can download it. This is Kubernetes cluster setup configuration. So bash card, and then you type the install work. The one I have to use master node. So I will choose master command. This command is wrong. This command for the worker node. So I have to use master node. Here bash card. I download this cluster setup configuration from the GitHub. So I download it. Okay, currently downloaded the one for the master node. So I will open another terminal. So in this terminal, I will use SSH to CKS worker node. So I SSH to CKS worker node. Okay, I already SSH. Then I will change sudo that means I change to root account. After that, I need to download it, the cluster setup from the GitHub. So the one I type, then it will download it. The one for the worker node. So the one we have to wait to until to finish. Okay. Currently we can see two instances already, CKS master and CKS worker. And right now I already SSH to the CKS master and CKS worker node in the different terminals. So the first one is the have been SSH to CKS master, and the second is the CKS worker. So in this instance, now I'm installing the installing and set up the cluster. So let's see to finish. Okay, during installing that one, I would like to explain to you about the instance. In this instance, why I choose the OS type, Ubuntu, and uh, OS type I choose Ubuntu, and version I choose the 20 because cluster setup configuration script file or only supported for the 20.04. That's why we choose the Ubuntu 20.04. So if the cluster setup is compatible only for that one. So cluster setup is supposed to use the 20.04. That's why I choose the Ubuntu 20.04. And then this type, I choose the standard bus system and then 50 gig. So, and after that, I created. So after create that, then you will see the two instances are ready to use. So if you are not using these two instance, you select this instance and then stop. After stop, and you delete it or whatever you want. Because if you don't delete that one, it will charge, Google will charge to you. So right now, master node is finished, and then worker node also finished. So after that, we can see the Kubernetes cluster. So kubectl get nodes. So when I type the kubectl get node, it will show only CKS master ready. It didn't show CKS worker node in this cluster. So okay, in this worker node, I can type the CKS kubectl get node, but it didn't show. What we get the error? That error is they couldn't get the current server APN group because only APN server is running on the master node. So when you have to communicate with the APN, Kubernetes APN, that APN is only in the master node. So that's why you cannot type that kubectl get node command in the worker node. So here only we see the even kubectl get node. You see why we didn't see CKS worker node here because we didn't add in. Okay, that one we need to add in manually. So after finish this one, so it will show like this command to add a worker node. So worker node, if you want to add a worker node, so you need to command it. So command is kubadm try that one. Okay, you copy it, and then paste it in worker node. So okay, then the node has joined the cluster, so it's me already try. So after that, you can check it again. So you will see the two cluster in two nodes in the master node. So but you will see the one is not ready yet, but you need to wait it after a few seconds. it will show ready. Okay. The one what I want to show how to set up the Kubernetes in your PC and how to communicate with the gcli. So thank you.